Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's been a while since I posted a video, but here I am. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and stay throughout the whole video because you might enjoy it. From the title of the video, today we are going to be reviewing a whitening strip brand. Let me tell you guys that I went to Dollar Tree like 2 days ago just to find everyday things and buy everyday things like toilet paper and towels and you name it. I went to the beauty aisle and I seen these, which they are called the Rembrandt whitening strips. This is what they are, and let me tell you guys, I found 2 boxes and I think there was like 1 left, which made me actually buy it as well. They claim to start whitening on day 1. It says they're enamel safe and they're thin, they're comfortable with the design. But yeah, this is what they look like. So we're going to be trying them on today. I'm going to be showing you guys what my teeth look like now. So as you guys can see, like I do take care, like I make sure that I brush, like twice a day and stuff like that. But they do have like a yellow tint over them. So you get 2 treatments and it seems like it's really easy. And all you have to do is wear them for 30 minutes. So let's just open it up. And I definitely want to try this. I'm so excited. Leave me a comment down below if you have tried these whitening strips, because I've honestly never seen them, and when I saw them I was so excited. Something really important that I do know, like I've never used them, but something really important is to have like a obviously like a clean toilet paper or clean paper, just so you can dry your teeth, because I heard that these stick better on your teeth if your teeth are dry. So that's what I'm gonna be doing right now. And now let's just open up the packet. Yeah, this is what they look like, and obviously the top is for their front teeth and then the bottom is for the bottom teeth. And once again, this is what my teeth look like. I'm gonna go ahead and start with the top teeth. And I will see you guys in 30 minutes. It's really hard to talk with this, so I'm not gonna do it. But I'll tell you more once the 30 minutes are up. Alright guys, so 30 minutes are up and I'm going to be removing the whitening strips with you guys here on camera. So I can definitely say that the top half stood on longer, like with no problem at all. The bottom half was definitely more difficult, like it kept moving around. Let me just take them out and then I'll show you a before and after, and we'll both discuss, see if we saw a difference. If you did, please leave me a comment down below so that I know that they also do work. But let me just remove them with you now. So as you can see, look, no effort was made and the bottom literally came out by itself. And once again, my hands are clean. So I just have a trash here. So I removed the bottom, and the top half are definitely like more stuck on my teeth, which is probably a good thing. It probably, did some work. But let me just take it out. But yeah, you see, these you definitely have to work a little bit harder to take them out. And I prefer it that way. It does. It definitely tastes so nasty. I'm gonna go ahead and rinse my mouth, and I'll talk to you about my thoughts about this product. So I just rinsed my mouth a little bit, because when you do take out the whitening strips, you taste the product, And that's something I wanted to point out as well. But before I talk to you guys about my thoughts about this product, this is what my teeth looked like before, and now this is what they look after. So I don't know about you guys, but I do see a tad of a difference, maybe in my first like front two teeth, but nothing too drastic. I feel like this is the type of product that you definitely have to use like more than once. But I do agree with the start whitening on day one claim, which is what it says in the box. I feel like my teeth definitely line up just a little bit, but once again, I feel like this is one of those products that you have to keep using to definitely see a difference. But for $1, who's complaining? I'm not. I feel like I would definitely be repurchasing these if I can get advice about like having them on. So the claim is that they're stay put and they're thin and they're comfortable design. So I definitely agree that they're thin, but I don't know about the comfortable part or the stay put part, because the bottom half was definitely harder. They weren't sticking. And if I can give you guys an advice, it would be that after you put on the top strip, make sure that you once again dry your bottom teeth, because when you're putting the top teeth, your mouth, like, you know, it starts to produce all of the saliva, and then when you go ahead and put the bottom ones on, there's so much saliva that it just doesn't stick, which is some of the complaints that I've seen on the other YouTube videos about this product. So I definitely recommend putting the first half on and then going ahead and pan and dry your bottom teeth so that they're dry and the bottom strip, you know, attaches to your bottom teeth. But other than that, I really do recommend it. If I go to Dollar Tree again and I see it, I will pick it up again, just because you know, it's only $1, and to be honest, like, they don't have any bad reviews or anything. And yeah, I feel like if you definitely are starting to want to use white strips, I think this is the great way to see if, you know, it'll be something you like or not. Then the last thing I want to say is that they weren't so comfortable. Like, these, you can't wear them and like talk, you know, have a conversation and do stuff. But yeah, I hope you guys like this review. Let me know what you think. Definitely go to Dollar Tree and purchase these if you're interested. I was so excited to find these at Dollar Tree. So once again, this is from the brand Rembrandt, and I definitely do recommend it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're new to my channel, definitely hit the subscribe button. And also, this is not the only whitening teeth video that I have. I also do have another one, and that product I buy like at Walgreens. I think it's called like the 5-minute whitening session, something like that. But I can link the video down below, or you can also search for it in my channel. It's the only other teeth video that I have. And yeah, I think you guys would actually enjoy that product as well. But I don't have anything bad to say about this, only that it doesn't really stay put. Like, maybe towards the end it started to stick more. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and definitely let me know what other type of videos you guys would like to see. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day. So yeah, I'll see you guys on my next video.